well, I got this in the mail. RIP my wallet. It is time for the Sephora VIB sale. I am a Sephora Rouge member. Oh, it hurts to say, but it feels so right. We're not going to talk about what that means. It just means that I'm a high level in the Sephora royalty. I am royalty. Sephora loyalty program. I'm sick, if you can't tell in my voice, but I'm really inspired to film some things, and I don't even know if I'm going to post this video, so we're just going to go with it. But I got this in the mail. I'm going to give you the lowdown, and we're going to talk about my personal wish list of things that I would like to purchase in the Sephora sale. I'm not purchasing all of these things. Nobody has that kind of money. Somebody has that kind of money, but that somebody is not me. I'm gonna purchase 1 or 2 things. But if you are thinking about purchasing in the sale, I'm gonna give you some ideas of, you know, how to get your money's worth and how to really, you know, win this sale. So let's talk about the sale first. If you are a Rouge member, you get 20% off starting August 19th through the 27th. So the 19th is the only day that is Sephora VIB Rouge only. And then VIB, Beauty Insiders, whatever. I don't know if there's a different tier now. VIB gets 15% off August 20th through the 27th. So they get 1 less day. Who cares? I will say from past experience, it's a double-edged sword whether or not you should order in store or online. Because in store it's going to be chaos, especially if you go on the weekends. Like Sephora's already chaos on the weekends. But even more so when there's a sale going on, because they only do their sale, what, 3 times a year now? Maybe 2. So, you know, but then also their online team just like cannot get it together sometimes. Like I cannot count how many times in the past like 6 months that I've ordered something and like either spent my points to get a sample or just ordered samples, or they had some sort of sale where you get a free gift, and none of the free gifts come in my order. Like they're just like, they don't even mention it. They're just like, oh, what? I don't know. But then if you like call them, they're like, oh yeah, we ran out. Okay, then like put something else in there, right? Like I'm spending a crap ton of money on things that you and I both know are unnecessary. So like give me my crappy foil samples. But you know, you don't have to deal with the crowds, and you don't have to worry as much about things selling out. So it is what it is. Okay, so let's get into my suggestions and my wish list. So my first suggestion, this is the most practical of the suggestions, is use this time to stock up on the things that you habitually use, like your holy grail items. So for me, that would be my skincare. I might get a new eye cream. Let me write that down so I can do some research now that I'm thinking about it. So I am definitely stocking up on my Laneige lip sleeping mask. You've all seen it. I will have it linked down below. I'm gonna stock up on that because I don't trust it to buy it on Amazon. I only trust it from Sephora, and that ish is gold. It's so good. And I am finally hitting the bottom of my tub, so I'm definitely getting another one of those. I might stock up on my serum. I use the Henriksen Truth Serum. It's like a vitamin C collagen boosting serum. I don't know, my skin loves it. Can't tell you why. It's amazing. And I run through that so fast, so I might restock on that, even though I have like almost a full bottle right now. But you know, I know I'm gonna use it. I might as well save 20%, right? So that's like saving $8. I might also stock up on my, this one I can show you, my Glamglow SuperMud. I have the big boy of that, and I love this stuff. This is the mega size. This is like my kind of acne clearing mask. I'll use this as a spot treatment. I do this mask once or twice a week. I really feel like it makes a difference in my skin, and I love it. And I am probably a little over halfway through, so I might stock up on that as well. Another good thing to stock up on would be setting sprays. I love my all-nighter. I already have a backup though, so I probably won't be repurchasing that now. Another good thing to stock up on is if you use a Clarisonic, now is a great time to get a brush head or a replacement brush head. Typically they will have some sort of like value set, and see if you can get one of those because you can still get the discount on the value sets. Okay, speaking of value sets, let's talk about them. Beauty blenders, because you are supposed to throw away your beauty blenders every 3 months. And right now they have a trio that is $45. If you have 20% off of that, I think that would be $9 off. So that's $34 for 3 of them. So that's like a little over $11 for a beauty blender. So it's like almost half off. That's pretty dope. So, and you get 3 of them. So then that should last you a year. That's especially good if you are a working makeup artist and you use beauty blenders on all of your clients. But if you do that, then you probably already know about this and you aren't watching my channel. If you are, hey, welcome. Hi. Be my friend. Value sets on skincare that you want to try. This is a great time to do that. Sunday Riley has a couple value sets right now. They have the acne prone one that I've used before. It has the UFO oil, the Martian toner, and a mask. I forget what it's called. The mask smells, the whole set smells like hot poop on a hot summer day. It smells terrible. My husband referred to the UFO oil as ass dragon because it smells like the ass of a dragon. I don't know, he's very clever. That stuff did work really well, but then my skin got really used to it and then it stopped working. But maybe if you're like getting ready for a wedding or some sort of an event and you are really trying to clear up your acne, hit that up. I used it for like 3 months and I was like looking perfect, and then it just stopped working. So, and I've heard that from a couple people, like you do kind of develop a tolerance to it. So it is what it is. Check it out if you're interested. They also have like a cleanser and a serum set. Okay, and let's talk about splurge items. First thing that comes to mind is the Pat McGrath foundation and primer that just came out. I think the primer and the foundation are both $90 for a fluid ounce. I will not be going down that road because the downside of that is like you get it now, you get it 20% off. Cool, that's like you're saving almost $20. Okay, you're getting closer to a normal range. But then if you like it, you're screwed. So, you know, sorry, I had to turn on the exposure. You could also look into the Natasha Denona palettes. That is actually a better option to me because eyeshadow palettes aren't something that you repurchase over and over again. So if you, I think the Natasha Denona palettes are like 3 digits, so like 130. Am I making that up? They're pretty dang expensive. So if you get 20% off 130, that is $26 off. Still $100. But I've heard it's amazing. So I don't know, like that seems, if I was gonna buy one, I would buy it on sale. Now would be the time, just do it. So comment down below what you are interested in picking up at the VIB sale. Out of curiosity, are you Rouge or are you VIB? I don't know how I'm Rouge. Actually I do know how I'm Rouge. The Sephora play boxes, that $10 every month counts towards my like money spent at Sephora, so I get points for those. And then plus you get like the 50 point cards in them, which I've redeemed a couple of times and then I just forget. So if you're trying to make it up to Rouge, get the Sephora play box, you know, whatever. But yeah, what are you planning on picking up? And what is your tactic when you go to big sales like this? Are you a value set person? Are you a repurchaser? Are you an impulse buyer? You just go in for the sale and you just kind of black out and see what happens? Because I've been there. It feels good. It feels good. And then the shame hits in. But then you put the makeup on and you feel good again. So, you know, it's fine. But yeah, comment down below. Also, if you wouldn't mind, if you would like hit that subscribe button. It's right down in that area. It's like a little red button that says subscribe. And you click that. And then you're subscribed to me and it helps me out. And then you can hit that thumbs up button. It looks like a thumbs up. You can hit that. And then that helps my channel. And then also you can hit the bell notification, and that I don't think helps my channel. It just helps you because then you get notified every time I post a video. So that's pretty dope. And then if you comment, I think that helps my video. And then you know what really helps my videos? If you share them, right? Maybe you like share this with your friend and you're like, hey, let's go to the sale this weekend. Yay, friend time. That'd be cool. And then your friend gets to know me, and then we're friends, and then it's like we're all friends together, and there's no downside to this. So do that. And then if you want, I'm just giving you so many hot tips today. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's at Emily Funbun. And my Twitter only has 1 follower. So that's a thing. And you can totally like follow me, and then I will be a little bit less sad. But then you can tell your friends to follow me, and then I'll have like, you know, more than 2 followers, and I'll be happy. So make me happy. The more followers I have, the less sick I am. I don't know how it works. My doctor today was like, you need more followers. And I was like, man, doc, okay, I'll really try my best. So here I am. That didn't happen. No doctor would ever tell you that. And if they do, you should probably get a new doctor. All right, cool. I will see you guys next week. Goodbye.